All right, hey guys, how are you doing? I wanted to show you guys this quick little project I made using the jam jars by Scrap Diva Designs, and this is what it looks like. So I cut the base layer out of colored cardstock, and I cut a layer out of white, just so that it could have a little bit more stability. And then I cut outline shaker part. I used the pattern paper to cut this out, and I just used the center as just like my layering piece. So here's what you get this, and then you get the inside, of course, that cuts out. So I think this is what you'll cut your foam out of to layer it to make it into a shaker. And then I cut the lids out of some Holtz metallic paper. I like his metallic paper because it's not super shiny, but it's really pretty, and the embossing on this is really nice. You could really see the indentions and everything, so that was really nice. I was very surprised by that. Maybe because it's metallic, I'm not sure how well that would show up with cardstock, because I haven't done that yet, but so cute. And so I did put some Holtz. This is the metallic sticker book. I've been using this a lot lately. It comes in handy when you need a small sentiment. And so this is this one. Look how cute it is. And then here's the strawberry one. It says Sweet Life, and this one says Hello There. And I'm thinking about making a series of cards with this paper collection. I used the Market Street paper. When you kind of used up a lot of collection, and the first thing to go is the cardstock ephemera. And so because I don't have much of that left, I think I have maybe just a handful of pieces, and usually like the little tickets and stuff. I can use my metal dies to just make my own embellishments. That way I can use up the paper pad, because I have a little bit of the paper pad left too, and I kind of want to use it up. So I'm going to do a series of that vintagey look. It's the Market Square paper by Crate Paper. Here's the ephemera, or the chipboard ephemera. So these are a little bit too big for jam. Look at that. There's the jam jar right there. That's what made me want to use this. When I saw the die, I was like, oh my gosh, that would be so cute with that paper pad. So anyway, and then those little carrots. So I'm going to use that up. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It's Sunday night, so going into Monday. Hope you guys have a good one. And I'll talk to you on another video.